We are the group 1, and we are going to report the Polya'S first step in problem solving. The Polya'S, known as the father of modern problem solving. He did extensive studies and wrote numerous mathematical papers and 3 books about problem solving.
Step 1. Understand the problem. Sometimes the problem lies in understanding the problem. If you are unclear as what needs to be solved, then you are probably going to get wrong result. In order to show understanding of the problem, you of course need to read the problem carefully.
Step 2. Devise a plan to translate. When you devise a plan, you come up with a way to solve the problem. Setting up an equation, drawing a diagram, and making a chart are all ways that you can do to solve your problem.
Step 3. Carry out the plan. So, this is where you solve the equation you came up with your devise a plan. Step 4. Look back, check, and interpret. Basically, check to see if you use all your information and that the answer makes sense. If your answer does check out, make sure that you write your final answer with the correct labeling.
So to start, let's think about a party. Sally was having a pool party. She invited 15 women and 25 men. She made 2 dozen of black cupcakes and 3 dozen of white cupcakes. At the end of the party, there were only 10 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes were eaten?
The first step of Polya'S process is to understand the problem. In our example, we can understand the problem by realizing that we don't need the information about the gender of the guest or the color of the cupcakes. All we really need to know is that we are being asked, how many cupcakes are left of the total that were made?
Now that we can understand the problem, we have to devise a plan to solve the problem. In our example, we need a sub-goal of figuring out the actual total number of cupcakes made before we can determine how many were left out. We could write an equation to show what is unknown and how to find the solution. 2 dozen plus 3 dozen minus 10 equal number 18.
Carry out the plan. The third step of Polya'S process is to carry out the plan. Our plan involved the sub-goal of finding out how many cupcakes we made total. After that, we needed to know how many were eaten if only 10 remained after the whole party. To find out, we wrote an equation that would resolve the sub-goal while working toward the main goal. So, 2 dozen plus 3 dozen minus 10 equals number 18. Obviously, we would need the prior knowledge that 1 dozen is to equals to 12.2 times 12 equals 24. And 3 times 12 equals 36. So what we really have is 24 plus 36 minus 10 equals number 18. 24 plus 36 equals 60, and 60 minus 10 equals 50. That means that the number of cupcakes eaten is 50.
Look back. The final step in Polya'S process is very important. The final step is to look back, which means to check your work.